A carbide burr is a rotary cutting tool made from tungsten carbide, an extremely hard and durable material that can cut, shape, grind, deburr, and remove material from a wide variety of surfaces. Carbide burrs are commonly used with die grinders, rotary tools, pneumatic grinders, and high-speed electric grinders. Because tungsten carbide is much harder than high-speed steel, carbide burrs can maintain their cutting edges longer and remove material much more quickly, making them a favorite tool in metalworking, fabrication, welding, automotive repair, machining, woodworking, and even some artistic applications. The primary purpose of a carbide burr is material removal. When metal parts are manufactured, welded, cast, or machined, they often have rough edges, excess material, weld splatter, sharp corners, or imperfections that need to be removed. A carbide burr allows the user to quickly grind away these unwanted areas while maintaining control over the shape of the workpiece. Fabricators frequently use carbide burrs to smooth welds, clean up cut edges, and large holes, bevel edges, and prepare surfaces for painting or further machining. One of the biggest advantages of carbide burrs is their versatility. They can be used on steel, stainless steel, cast iron, aluminum, brass, bronze, copper, titanium, fiberglass, plastic, wood, and many other materials. Different cutting patterns are available depending on the material being worked. Double-cut carbide burrs are often preferred for steel and stainless steel because they produce smaller chips, provide smoother finishes, and are easier to control. Single-cut burrs remove material more aggressively and are commonly used on cast iron, copper, brass, and certain non-ferrous metals. Carbide burrs are manufactured in many different shapes, with each shape designed for specific tasks. Ball-shaped burrs are useful for creating rounded grooves and contours. Cylinder burrs are ideal for flat surfaces and edge work. Tree-shaped burrs can reach tight corners and curved areas. Flame-shaped burrs are excellent for contouring and blending surfaces. Cone and taper burrs are frequently used for chamfering, deburring, and enlarging holes. Choosing the correct shape can dramatically improve efficiency and produce better results. In welding applications, carbide burrs are among the most commonly used finishing tools. Welders use them to remove excess weld material, blend weld seams, clean joints, and prepare surfaces before inspection. Automotive technicians often rely on carbide burrs when porting cylinder heads, modifying exhaust systems, cleaning engine components, and repairing metal parts. Machinists use them to correct imperfections that may be difficult to reach with larger grinding equipment. Carbide burrs are also valuable for deburring, which is the process of removing sharp edges or burrs left behind after cutting, drilling, or machining operations. Sharp edges can create safety hazards, interfere with assembly, or affect the performance of a finished part. Because carbide burrs operate at very high speeds, they are capable of removing material rapidly while maintaining excellent precision. Using the proper burr style, grinder speed, and cutting technique helps maximize tool life and performance. For professionals and hobbyists alike, carbide burrs are an essential tool in workshops and manufacturing facilities.